12:15 noon, guys, and we are now checking out in the hotel here in Dublin, and we are now off to the train station because we're gonna move to another city in Dublin. It's called Galway city. So here's our luggage now. So yeah, hope we can still catch the 12:45 na train. So yeah, I guess it takes like 2 hours by train going there. So yeah, later. Gonna go Galway, guys, and the train will be 1:25. We are here now at some kind of a cafe restaurant, guys. We got our tickets now here. 2 tickets to Galway. Tama ba? Mali. Yan, so yung nakuha namin time sa train is 1:25 kasi yung schedule pala na na-check ng husband ko yesterday was for weekend schedule yun siya, which is 12:45. So yung schedule na lang ngayon is 1:25. So we're gonna wait like around an hour. So we are now having our brunch now here in the Moher cafe. So yun, we're waiting for our food. We got now our order, our foodie for brunch. Grabe yung fries, guys. Ang laki. Tapos yung burger. Yeah. Yun lang. So, later ulit. We are now on board on the train, guys. So, ito yung seat namin dito. Very cozy siya. So, we also have a table even here. And we got I got cappuccino, and my darling have something like coffee. So, walang masyadong tao actually. Even yung katabi namin wala. I'm trying to edit here, guys. I'm so struggling with my editor. It crashed a few times and it's so bad. Yeah, and still have my coffee there and get that view. Yeah, so and that's my view.
Alicia fucking honest. I said it to him.
Madumi yung salamin nila. So yeah, I hope it will be uploaded tonight. We're now in Galway. That's the train that we rode. We rode talaga. Kinda chilly though.
Just a run on all day.
of 4 p.m. at finally, dumating na din kami sa Galway! So, nakapag-chicken na kami. So, I'm gonna do a room tour again. So, this is our main door, guys. So, pagpasok mo, ito yung sa left side. Left side siya. May iron sila dito. Yung flat, ano niya. Towels, hanger, ganun lang. Yung luggage namin. And then after that, this side straight, it's our bathroom. Yan. Maganda yung lighting dito sa bathroom, guys. At saka malinis siya, in fairness, in fairness. So, yan. So, may 3 baso. Wala silang personal amenities though, but that's okay. May dala din naman kami. So, hi guys. So, yan. Just normal bathroom. Yan. Yan lang. And then, paglabas natin, so, yung favorite natin, guys, as usual, may malaki silang mirror dito. Human size mirror, which is, I like, ito lang yung suot ko sa pagbiyahe. Yan lang. Ano na yan? Parang table. May lampshade sila dito. So, we have free coffees in here and then milk. Yan. May mirror na naman sila ulit dito. And then, we are checking this brochure. Kasi, we're gonna have a tour tomorrow. We're gonna go to Cliff of Moher. And what's this? Burin. Yeah, so we're gonna book this today. And then what else? The TV, aircon. They have extra door in there which is connected to the other room. And we thought we have a veranda, but pero wala. And then, so yung nasa labas is ito. Bang! Epic fail. So, yan. So, ito lang yung room namin, guys. Super, ano naman siya, comfy naman siya. And big. And, one plus is, good location. So, in a few minutes, guys, lalabas kami ulit. Magsustroll kami around the city because we only gonna stay here in Galway for 2 nights. We only have 1 full day for tomorrow, which is yung tour namin. And then, hindi na kami makakapag-stroll sa city after that kasi we're gonna move to another city again. So, tonight lang talaga yun. Ngayong hapon lang talaga yung chances namin makapag-stroll around the city. So, yun. At saka maghahanap kami ng for dinner. So, laters, guys. I'm gonna see you laters. Oh, okay.
There are no hotels at all.
Yeah. So now, guys, we have our tickets now for tomorrow. So we're gonna leave at 10, but we need to be prepared like 9:30 or more earlier than that because our breakfast starts at 8. So yeah, we're gonna start to stroll now around the small city. This is the in front of our hotel, guys. So, doon yung papunta sa like busy street with restaurants and shops. At ito yung hotel namin. Yeah, ito yung main entrance. So, yan. We're staying there. So, let's go, guys. So yeah, we are now on this street, a busy street, guys. So, ang daming stores, ang daming restaurants, pubs, you name it. You name it. At saka parang more colder siya dito, guys, compared to Dublin. Maybe because malapit siya sa sea. I don't know. So, small handcraft market. Oh, that's cool. Nice bags. $35.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Drink a lot of water. Yeah. Double amount. Yeah. But they're already going to close.
Yeah. Ah, it's just a short one. It's the end. Okay. Oh my god, yeah. Look at this cute in the top, guys.
Well, baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room, I've loved this boy. No, I used to live alone before I knew you. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Fast though.
You wanna try?
Yeah. We're gonna try to ride this Ferris wheel. Yeah. But it has a huge line, guys, so we're gonna try. Hi guys, we're now in the Ferris wheel. Yeah. Huge line. Oh my god, what was that, Darlene?
Are you after?
Okay guys, tapos na kaming sumakay ng Ferris wheel and we are still strolling around their park. May maganda silang park dito. Super ganda yung mga series lights nila. Yung Christmas lights nila, yeah. You know? Ganyan silang ganap dyan. Doon. Yeah. At saka, may ano sila, candy house sila dito. Wait. Yan, guys. Candy house. Okay. So, this part of the park, guys, puro siya maliliit na stores ng mga snacks, ng mga accessories, clothes. Yan. Guys, it's now 6 p.m. and we're having our early dinner. I got mine hummus and pita and red wine, and my darling got his oyster.
With the hummus and feta.
Yeah, kain tayo. I think I'm gonna order this cream brulee, guys. Dessert time. Cream brulee, guys. Dessert. Yes. Okay, guys, we are now back here in our hotel room, and I'm gonna end up now my vlog for today. It's our day 1 here in Galway. So tomorrow I'm gonna see you again on our day 2, which is magtutour tayo around the other spots here in Galway. So, good night guys. I'm gonna sleep now and see you tomorrow.